All right, welcome to this live session, the part-time traders live session. Well, the charts look a bit interesting, okay, but again, not really of high quality setups that we have, but we have some interesting price behavior as per range trading, okay. All right, so let's just go straight into those charts and see the possible directional biases for tomorrow. The euro against the American dollar, we have already over analyzed this pair. This is the daily time frame. We are not going to be talking much here again. All we need to see is a very valid price action here for a bounce to the upside. That hasn't happened, although we have the hint already that price is likely going to change direction in this pair. Anyway, let's look into the next one. Majority of sterling pounds pairs. The first one here is the sterling pounds against the New Zealand dollar. This is the forward time frame. We have a very nice setup here at that point or somewhere in here. I expect the price will come back down for the sterling pounds against the New Zealand dollar. But as you know, tomorrow is the Brexit vote, and so that should affect all sterling pounds pairs. That is why we are going to be flat for now on the sterling pounds, on most of the sterling pounds crosses that we are going to be analyzing. However, this is a nice price behavior here that price is likely going to come back down. All right, another one is sterling pounds against the Japanese yen. I am also liking this in the 4 hours time frame. Price has come all the way to retest that level of resistance, and from there on I want to see price going back down in this pair. But tomorrow is again the Brexit final vote that should affect all sterling pounds crosses, so we need to be careful. Although this might be a hint of the news direction that the sterling pounds will be weakening out by tomorrow, we shouldn't trade ahead of the news. All right, American dollar against the Canadian dollar. Here we have taken a trade. That's our entry here. This is our stop loss. We are going to keep this trade running. We might have price push up a bit, hesitate, then from somewhere there it might come back down. No matter what happens, keep this trade. We are not going to be resetting the stop loss level. We are not going to tamper with that stop loss level. We are just going to let it be there. If price moves towards it, don't you worry, just trade the plan, okay. All right, New Zealand dollar against the Canadian dollar. Our trade plan remains that we want price to come all the way to that area of confluence for us to look for short entries, so let's keep that. Nothing much has changed. The sterling pounds against the Canadian dollar. This is another one. The sterling pounds pair at this particular area, that high tension zone, I expect to see price come back down, okay. But we don't have any we don't want to trade ahead of the news, this Brexit vote for tomorrow, so we are not going to be getting involved. Similarly, the sterling pounds against the Swiss franc, price is trading around the key level of resistance. It is likely going to come back down. Again, we are not going to be trading ahead of the Brexit vote. All right, the euro against sterling pounds. This is a nice one. Price is actually trading around key level of support. We have talked about this area of support before. From here on, I expect that price is going to keep pushing to the upside. Let's just keep that and don't trade anything because of that Brexit vote that will be taken tomorrow. The sterling pounds against the American dollar. This is a very similar one as well. I expect the price is going to make a turn to the downside, even on that Brexit vote result. Look at the Canadian dollar against the Japanese yen. This is one of those pairs that I am considering as a valid setup for tomorrow. From here on, price should make that bounce. If we were to take this trade, then we would have placed our we would have taken the trade right on there, then maybe stop loss somewhere around here. At any rate, we will be deciding on which one to take. The second one is the euro against the Japanese yen. I am expecting that we will see more upside in this pair, so if we were to take this trade, we would have gotten in at once, but let's just hold on. We are going to send the signal across so that we can all take the trade and be on the same page, okay. At at any rate, the directional bias for the euro against Japanese yen is more to the upside than it is to the downside. Okay. All right, folks, thanks for watching. If you find anything interesting, we'll let you know. For those of you who are in the paid signal, just wait for our signals on any of those trades. We will let you know how to trade them. Okay. All right, questions or contributions are welcome. Please send them across. We'll be very happy to respond to them. To have a nice time, relax yourself. The market is always there. Bye bye.